For 40 years, B Horticulture has been a leader in Canada's horticultural industry, offering innovative products at competitive prices and building strong partnerships. Our strength lies in our impressive operational capabilities, with access to 400 acres of raw materials, ensuring a sustainable supply for the next 25 years. Operating 3 modern plants with 9 production lines equipped with automated packaging systems, we can produce 52 million bags of soil and 12 million bags of stone and sand annually. We offer fast pan-Canadian delivery within 48 hours, thanks to 4 million square feet of warehousing in 3 strategically located plants. Available at more than 1,000 points of sale, our diversified product selection caters to a wide range of customers looking for quality products for their renovation, gardening, and landscaping projects. A partnership with B Horticulture is an opportunity to benefit from innovative products, competitive prices, and the expertise of a dedicated national team. B Horticulture, the best of nature in every garden.